Since its introduction in 1991, the Internet has changed the lives of everyone. Currently, in today's modern world, filled with Zoom meetings and online learning, we can't imagine life without the Internet. One core component of the Internet as we know it is Google, the amazing search engine that has answers to all our questions, whether it be the directions to the new bakery that opened up, or answers to your math homework, or how to bake bread. While you think using Google is pretty straightforward, there are actually tips and tricks to use Google effectively. Woo! Firstly, utilizing the various tabs. Say I was looking to purchase a set of Harry Potter books. I could search Harry Potter books underneath tabs. I can see that there are images, news, and what I want is shopping. Once I click it, Google compiles information from all sites selling Harry Potter books into one convenient place. If I find something I like this book set, Google then takes me to this page where it compares the different sites selling the product, allowing me to make the best choice as to which site I'd prefer. We can also tell Google if we are searching for a specific topic or quote. This can be done using quotation marks. For example, if I want to research more information about adopting a dog, I can search adopt, quote-unquote, dog. Now, all results that Google had brought up would contain information about dogs. Or this can also be used to search particular quotes, such as song lyrics. Say I heard a song I really liked and the chorus stuck with me. I could Google it, and I can find the song. Dashes can also be useful in narrowing down ambiguous searches. If I wanted to search for the coding language, Python, I should use the syntax Python-language, so that Google knows to return the results for the language and avoid the search results for the actual snake. Another method to use is Boolean search method. This uses words such as and, not, or, along with quotation marks and parentheses to give more relevant results. The first function is AND, which is used to include two or more terms together. For example, I can search restaurants and Vancouver, and I get results for restaurants located in Vancouver. The second function, OR, can be used to broaden a search. For example, I can search hotel and Vancouver, or hostel and Vancouver, or motel and Vancouver. And it gives a search containing hotels, hostels, and motels located in Vancouver. Also in this search, I use parentheses to create a more complex search containing all the things I want to search, rather than searching them individually. The third function, NOT, can be used to exclude certain things. For example, if I have an assignment where I am to read up about tree bark, I can search tree bark, not dog bark. This search would exclude any information about dog bark and only give information about tree bark. Another way to search for content on a specific website is to type in the word we are looking for, then the website domain. For example, if I wanted to check the weather for Vancouver on Environment Canada, I would type Vancouver site : weather .gc.ca. If I wanted to find a specific drink from Starbucks, I would type vanilla latte site : starbucks.com, so that Google will filter through all websites with vanilla latte and show the directory to the Starbucks vanilla latte page as the first result. Or I can search for the weather in a specific city by entering the word weather, then a specific zip code of the area I want to check the weather of, like weather V1P, Kelowna zip code. Using a specific zip code will show the weather in a more specific area of Kelowna, but because there are multiple area codes in the city, the search may not be as accurate. When making other local searches, such as for a non-specific place to eat, keep them short and simple. Instead of typing pizza places in Kelowna, search for pizza near me instead. Google will automatically take your location and find the pizza places near you. If I wanted to search for an event from the last couple of years, I should include the specific date that it took place in. If I wanted to find information about the Olympics that took place in 2010, I would search country that hosted the Olympics 2010, with 2 periods in between Olympics and 2010. This helps Google narrow down your search results, and it won't show anything before or after that year. Let's say I'm online shopping and I wanted to see more websites like Amazon. I can simply just type related, Amazon.com to find retail sites similar to Amazon, for example, Walmart. What if I further wanted to read a report and research the differences between Amazon and Walmart in marketing strategy and customer demographic? I could then search Amazon versus Walmart file type PDF or Amazon versus Walmart file type doc for a special file type. The last one of these convenient search engine functions is to enter any UPS, USPS, or FedEx tracking number directly into the Google search bar to find information about a package. As you can see, Google is the largest search engine in the internet and one of the main providers of information in the modern digital world. Hopefully, this guide will make your search experience quicker and more accurate.